Hello, my name is Ryan Kessel, your Tampa Bay new construction specialist, and we're out at a brand new neighborhood, Pasadena Woods by Casa Fresca Homes. We're going to be touring the Azure floor plan. This floor plan offers 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a 2-car garage, and 26 square feet of living. Let's go check it out. All right, so as you come in, everything's just gonna flow off to the right. We have our half bathroom. This is gonna service the downstairs of the home. So as you come in, this is gonna be a wide open concept. This is gonna connect to your kitchen. So the kitchen, we have breakfast bar seating, a nice center island, all quartz countertops, plenty of counter space and cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and then we do have a dining space over here off to this side, and then this will open on, and we're going to go outside and check. You got a covered patio, so you could actually screen this, you could extend this, you could fence this. All right, so we're heading upstairs to check out the rest of the house. Once you're upstairs, this is going to open onto this loft space. This could be a secondary living room, and I love what they did with these little seats here, so if you have kids, these could be little homework stations, and this is a good size open space for you and your family. So we're gonna hook around this corner here. This is gonna bring you into your owner suite. So you have a good size owner suite here. I love the 2 windows on each side of the bed, bringing in the natural light. This is gonna flow right into the ensuite bathroom. So you're gonna have a walk-in shower over here. You're gonna have a vanity with dual sinks, quartz countertops. And then this is gonna open into your walk-in closet. So you got a good size closet, and it wraps around this other side over here. Let's go check out the other bedrooms. So this is a true split plan. So your other 3 bedrooms are going to be on the other wing of the house, giving you separation into the secondary bedroom. And as you can see, this is like a little girl's room. It's got its own like little walk-in closet over here. Turn the corner here and go into bedroom number 2. Now bedroom number 2 is set up as a little home office. Again, this is a 4 bedroom. So if you need a home office, this could be an option for you as well. You do have a closet over here. All right, and we're gonna head into the 4th bedroom right across the hall, making waves. Another good size room, closet here. And let's go check out the bathroom that services these bedrooms. So right around here, we have a full bathroom, nice quartz vanity, tub shower combo. And then last but not least, we have an upstairs laundry room. So you got your washer, dryer. You got enough space. You could probably add a laundry sink. If you don't like the wire rack, you could probably add some cabinetries after. And we're gonna head back downstairs. So let me know in the comments what you think of this home, the Azure by Casa Fresca Homes. If you're interested in touring the Azure floor plan and any of the Casa Fresca communities or Pasadena Woods, give me a call, 813-587-2424. And remember, I can help you with any builder, new home community, or resale home. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.